What's up, y'all? Back again?
Okay, what's up, everybody? Domino 7 is back. And now, to cook some more. Check on these macaronis. Yeah, I'm checking on some macaronis today. Okay. Since there's not a lot of macaronis, I'm gonna put it in this small bowl. Yeah. The tacos are still be cooking. Here's the shells and cheese. The tacos. And the corn on the cob.
Corn on the cob, okay. All right. I guess the macaronis is finished, okay. All right. Oh, I almost ended my show accidentally.
Must be too soft. Okay. I'm just smelling to see if it's clean. Okay. Okay. See, not enough macaronis. Not enough. Okay. Put this in here. Okay. And now time for the cheese. And for the cheese, I'm going to pour it all over the top.
It's the first time I mentioned Naya on my show. I kind of wonder why she's not watching. Okay, let me put it on whatchamacallit.
Here we go with the cheese. Here we go with the cheese. Yeah, the cheese. Ever so carefully. I'm going to mix it up with the cheese, with the ball, and everything else. Okay, let me bring it over here. In my bed. Sorry about that. About to do a little something with the cheese, the macaroni and cheese, as I say. Velveeta shells and cheese. Okay, almost done. There we go. Got a little something else. In case of Sarah.
In case of Sarah, my mom used to say that, Yeah, and that's still funny. In case of Sarah. Uh-oh. In case of Sarah. Yeah. Okay, excuse me.
Now, after this will be the corn on the cob. It should be boiled a long time. It should be boiled a long time as far as that and everything else. And then you will love it all. Got the cinnamon rolls and everything else. Let me clean this pot out and boil the corn. last segment. If it's not the last segment, I should have put the TV on in here. Oh, why? I can do so. Okay. What else is next? Okay, just in the one, like boiling in the pot. And you, on the pepper.
Put it in the pot. You put it right on top of the pepper. They're jumping on the pepper. It's not jumping on the pepper. Y'all heard of peppercorn? If you're from New Orleans, peppercorn or anything else. You know what I mean? So my mama used to do a crawfish burrow on the stove. Smoked sausage and Yep. Oh, I forgot I had this shit on. Excuse my language. All right, about the barrel it. Put a little salt in it, I guess. Well, not that much salt. Okay. Here's the stack of corn. Okay. Well, almost done with that, you know. Cooking up a storm, you know. So you know what, y'all? I'm just doing my damn thing, you know. The corn should be finished in a few. Well, the corn ain't finished in a few, you know. All right, so as I look at things like Dr. Morgus got arrested for counterfeiting because he was cloning money, you know. So I mean the clones got arrested. Chopley got arrested. Well, this was years ago, y'all. Okay. Yeah. So all right. So anyway, y'all. By me saying a few things and stuff like that, you know. Okay. Cause I don't know who watches Domino 7, you know. Okay. I bet my friend Ro gonna watch this. I'm pretty sure she will. I hope she don't get mad at me for mentioning her name. You know. All right. So anyway, y'all. I'm just gonna you know. All right. Oh, my bad. I forgot I was recording, and I'm holding this damn phone in my hand. You know, I'm holding this damn phone in my hand and stuff like that. Let me throw these excess papers away. You know, throw these excess papers away. You know. Well, I should I film trash? Well, I film trash. Okay. All right. I'll pick that paper up right now. You know. I'll pick that paper up in a few minutes. You know. Yeah. So I'm gonna pick that paper up. Well, I'm gonna pick that paper up right now. Okay. There we go. Right now. I picked it up. Okay. I'm not supposed to be filming trash, you know. Nobody don't film trash, huh? Nobody film trash. All right. So anyway, now I guess I'm gonna put the corn in the water. All right. All right, wait a minute. I'm gonna let y'all see what I'm doing, okay? Okay. All right. All right. So anyway, I'm still cooking and everything, you know. Still cooking stuff and everything. All right. So anyway, that's all, you know. That's all I'ma say. Okay. So, well, I think I'm gonna come back after I finish everything. Okay. And taco meat is still boiling. Well, lots of gravy, you know, just for now. Okay. Let it cook in there. Let the gravy soak in, or should I say, the seasoning soak in. You know. All right. So I'll probably be back, I guess. All right. Bye.